Welcome back students. So today we are going to study history subject of class 8th standard. In history we are going to study the lesson that is civilizing the natives, educating the nation. Okay, so we are studying the revision part of this lesson. Okay children, in the previous video we learned about the important question answers of the lesson. We all revised that important questions. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the choose the correct options. Okay, so first we will go along with the ideas of William Jones was supported by whom? Your options are option A, James Mill, B, Thomas Macaulay, C, Charles Wood, Henry Thomas Colebrooke. Who has supported his ideas? Well, the correct option that is Henry Thomas Colebrooke. Okay, the next is that a madrasa was set up in Calcutta in 1781 to promote the study of which subject? Well, your option that is Urdu, option B, Arabic, option C, ancient history of India, option D, Muslim religion. So, in the madrasas, what were studied? Well, the correct answer is that option B, Arabic. Arabic holy books are studied in the madrasas. Okay, children, we'll move forward. Next, who attacked the Orientalists? So your options are option A, James Mill, option B, Thomas Macaulay, option C, both A to B, option D, none of the above. So, well, your correct answer is option C, both A to B. So here you can see that children, James Mill and Thomas Macaulay, they both opposed the Orientalists. They wanted to promote English education in India and they wanted to they wanted to educate Indians in English language as well as they wanted to provide the knowledge of science, technology, literature, and they wanted to give a practical education. Okay, because of this reason your option C, that is James Mill and Thomas Macaulay, that is correct one. Okay, then next, the fourth question, the name associated with the establishment of Serampore mission. So the name which is associated with the Serampore mission, that is the option that is C, William Carey. Okay, William Carey, his name that is associated with the Serampore mission. Okay, we'll move forward. Next, William Adam toured the districts of which? Bihar and Orissa, Bihar and Bengal, Bengal and Rajasthan, Orissa and Madhya Pradesh. Well, your correct answer is option B, that is Bengal and Bihar. We'll move forward, children. So, we'll study fill in the blanks. Vaughan Hastings took the initiative to set up the Calcutta dash and believed that ancient customs of the country and of learning ought to be the basis of dash rule in India. So he said that Vaughan Hastings took the initiative to set up Calcutta Madrasa and believed that the ancient custom of the country and dash customs of learning ought to be the basis of Oriental rule in India. Okay, so we will move next one. Thomas Macaulay saw India as an uncivilized country that needed to be civilized. Okay, here the answer will come uncivilized. Then next, third one. Together with Henry Thomas Colebrooke and Nathaniel Hallhead, Jones set up the Dash of Bengal and started a journal called Dash. Together with Henry Thomas Colebrooke and Nathaniel Hallhead, Jones set up Asiatic Society of Bengal and started a journal called Asiatical Researches. Okay, so we'll move next forward. Many British officials said that knowledge of the was full of errors and thought. Knowledge of the east was full of error and unscientific thought was there. Okay, thought of unscientific. Okay children, so we will move to the next one, fifth one. There was no system of annual examination in Pathshalas. In the Pathshalas, annual examination system was not there. Correct curriculum was not there. Okay, this was the system. Rabindranath Tagore started dash in 1901. He started Shanti Niketan in 1901. Okay, so we'll next move forward. So see here children, answers also I have given here. Okay, note down these answers. Next, statements. Say whether it is true or false. Well children, Wood's dispatch emphasized the practical benefits of a system of European learning. Wood's dispatch, it has given main focus on practical benefits of a system of European learning. He has given a clear picture. He has given a practical benefits of a system of European learning. So, this statement is true. Next, we will move to Mahatma Gandhi never approved English education in India. So, Mahatma Gandhi, what he said that English education is going to be enslaved. English education is going to be enslaved to the Indians. Okay, children? So, because of this reason, here this statement is true. Next, Rabindranath Tagore. So, what was his opinion? Well, Rabindranath Tagore did a lot for the spread of English education in India. No, children, this is the false statement. He said that learning must and should be in nature only. Isn't it true, no children? So, this statement is wrong. This is a false one. Then next, Pathshalas followed strict rules and regulations. So, this is also a wrong statement, children. As you know that in the Pathshalas, nothing any kind of strictness was there. See, timetable was not there, curriculum was not there children, annual examination was not there. This system was there, no children. So, this statement is wrong. So, you have to write it as a false. Okay, so fifth one, Thomas Macaulay was in favor of the promotion of Oriental institutions. No children, this is also a false statement, because Thomas Macaulay, he said that he want to promote English education. Okay, so next, James Mill was a Scottish missionary who toured the districts of Bengal and Bihar. So no, James Mill, he was not a Scottish missionary, children. Okay, so he did not tour any districts of Bengal and Bihar. This is also a false one only. Okay, then Tagore set up his school, that is Shanti Niketan, in a rural setting. Yes, he has established a Shanti Niketan school for the rural children in 1901. This is a true one. Okay, answers are here. See, copy this please. Okay children, we will move forward. Next, match the hymns given in column A correctly with those given in column B. Okay, so first we'll go along with column A. Okay, what does the column A's question says? Serampore College, Pathshala, William Jones, Wood's Dispatch, the fifth one, that is Hindu College. And when we will see about the column B, set up by wealthy people, promoted European learning, then Calcutta, Benares, a linguist. Okay, these are your options. Well, when the terms come for the Serampore College, so here the correct answer will come, that is set up in Calcutta. Okay children, then Pathshalas, the correct answer is going to be matched with the answer A, set up by wealthy people. Okay, only Pathshalas were reserved for the wealthy and rich people only. Okay children, then next, third one, William Jones, what he said? He said he's a linguist. Okay, linguist means what, children? Here a person who knows all languages. Okay, then Woods dispatch. So when the terms come for the Woods dispatch, he said that promoted European learning. Woods dispatch clearly promoted the European learning. Next, Hindu college. So Hindu college, it has been established in Banaras. Okay, so here down only answers are there. You can check it out. Okay children, we will move forward. Next we are going to discuss about some important short types of questions. Well, name the different languages that William Jones studied. Well, when the terms come for the languages, children, he studied Greek, Latin, English, French, Arabic and Persian languages. Okay, these many languages were learned by William Jones. Why was Calcutta Madrasa set up? Well, your answer is Calcutta Madrasa was set up to promote the study of Arabic, Persian and Islamic laws. For this purpose, the Calcutta Madrasa has been set up. Okay, we'll move forward. Why was the Hindu college established in Banaras? Well, children, the Hindu college was established in Banaras to encourage the study of ancient Sanskrit text that would be useful for the administration of the country. Okay, so next is that name two individual who sharply attacked the Orientalists. Two individuals, those who attacked, those who opposed the Orientalists. Well, your answer is that James Mill and Thomas Babington Macaulay. Okay children, we'll move forward. What did Thomas Macaulay urge the British government in India? Thomas Macaulay urged the British government in India to stop wasting public money in promoting Oriental learning for aid was of no practical use. So Thomas Macaulay, he said that we should educate the Indians for their upliftment and we have to give them a practical education. So if you will waste your money in promoting the Oriental learning, means it is totally waste of time and waste of money. Okay. How were Oriental institutions like the Calcutta Madrasa and Banaras Sanskrit College viewed by the British? These Oriental institutions were viewed as temples of darkness that were falling off themselves into decay. So here the Oriental institutions, those were considered as a persons falling into decay. Those are those persons who are falling into the decline. Okay, so we will move forward. So next question is that name the places where the British established universities. Well children, in the India, in some places like Calcutta, Madrasa and Bombay, British established the universities. Okay. Where classes held under the system of Pathshalas. Under the system of Pathshalas, where does the classes are going to be held? Where classes were held under a banyan tree or in the corner of a village shop or temple or at the Guru's home. Okay, here the Pathshalas are going to be settled down. What type of education was given to the children in Pathshalas? Well, children were given oral education in the Pathshalas. Writing was not there, children, only oral education has been given. Okay, we'll move forward. So the question number 9, that is, what type of education was given to children in Pathshalas? Well, only oral education has been given in the Pathshalas. Why were classes not held during the harvest time? Because it was rural children had to work in the fields during the harvest time. Due to this reason, when harvest was going on, at that time classes were not held. Okay, the next question is that what task was assigned to the Pandit by the company? The company assigned the Pandit to visit the Pathshalas and try to improve the standard of living. Okay, so this is the answer. We will move next one question, that is your 12th question. Name two Indians who reacted against Western education. two Indians that reacted against the Western education were Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. According to the opinion of Mahatma Gandhi, he said that English education has enslaved the Indians, and according to the opinion of Rabindranath Tagore, he said that learning must and should be in the environment. Okay, so next question, your question number 13. What do you mean by Tagore's abode of peace? Well, what is the meaning for the establishment of Shantiniketan? Well, children, Tagore's Shantiniketan was established in a rural setting 100 kilometers away from Calcutta, as it was far from the din and bustle of the city. It was a abode of peace. So the establishment of the Shantiniketan was very much important because he thought that learning must and should be done in the environment only, children. And when the environment, when you go near to the environment, children, what will happen here? You will feel some kind of peace. Isn't it true, no, children? So because of this reason here, he said that we are going to establish a Shantiniketan in a peaceful place. Okay, the next question, how did Tagore view his school, namely Shantiniketan? Why he said that the name should be Shantiniketan only? He viewed his school as an abode of peace where, living in harmony with nature, children would cultivate their natural creativity. According to his opinion, he was living in a place where is abundance of peace, children. Okay, so children are living in harmony with nature. So if they are living in harmony with the nature, means what will happen, children? They are going to cultivate their natural creativity. Okay, so I hope this revision session will be really very helpful for your examination purposes. Okay, children, so here if you have any doubts and if you have any query regarding this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you for watching this video, children. Take care of yourself.